That little black dot right there that's moving, that's Jaden. He's going to show you the obstacle course.
We need an obstacle course, and I will show it to you in slow motion.
And then he's going to do it for the real thing. Wow. Open the door. Alright, now he's going to do it for the real thing. He's going to go for the time. Alright.
Real thing. Here we go. Change the music.
I have to have it on the timer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready? Dun 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 doo doo. I'm gonna shut up now.
Oh.
Wow. Really? You have to open the door at the end. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay. Your time is 25 seconds.
Woo! I'm hurt. That camera is not pointing at me.
Oh my God.